Welcome to Linux Help channel. In this video, we are going to see about LiteCart. First, we view a short intro about LiteCart. LiteCart is a free e-commerce, feature-rich e-commerce solution. The framework is constructed to be lightweight and easy for developers to modify and build upon. LiteCart released on the latest hypertext standard HTML5, the latest CSS3 for styling, the amazing jQuery framework for client-side dynamics, and the popular web scripting language PHP for web server dynamics. In this tutorial, we will cover the installation of LiteCart on Ubuntu 19.4. The requirement for LiteCart: Apache, MySQL, PHP, and its modules. First, I am going to check my Ubuntu version. My Ubuntu version is 19.4. Now I am moving into installation procedure. For that, first I am going to create a database for LiteCart using MySQL command. Now I am going to create a database. Now I am going to create a user. Now I am going to grant privileges for database and database user. Now I am going to flash privileges. Once a database is created, now I am going to download the LiteCart installation package using double-click command. Once a download is completed, extract the downloaded package using unzip command. Move the LiteCart directory to Apache root directory. Now set the ownership and permission for the LiteCart. Now configure the virtual host for accessing the LiteCart. Now save and quit. Now disable the default site access. Now enable the site access. Now enable the rewrite module. Once all the step is completed, restart the Apache service. Now switch to your browser and enter your domain name. This is the LiteCart installation page. Now check the requirements. Now you enter your database name and database username. Now select the country and time zone. Now configure the admin details. Now accept the license agreement and click install now. The installation is now completed. Now click admin area. Now enter your admin credentials. Now enter your admin credentials to log in the LiteCart. This is the dashboard of LiteCart. This is the method how to install LiteCart on Ubuntu 19.4. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. For more details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.